Hey guys, welcome to 13533 Pacific Highlands Ranch Parkway, a prime piece of Carmel Valley real estate in the Portico community. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2376 square foot beauty, and it's back on the market for $1,999,000. It's built by Party Homes as their Plan 2 model, and this home combines spacious living in a stellar location and some serious community perks. So let's dive in. Let's take a quick look back in the journey of this home. Built in 2009, originally sold to the first owners for $697,500, a bargain by today's standards. Fast forward to just last year, in June of 2023, it sold for $1.65 million, and now it's relisted at $1.999. This price jump reflects the incredible growth in Pacific Highlands Ranch, a top San Diego neighborhood that just keeps rising in value. Curious how this home stacks up against the others? I've prepared a complete market report. Just click the link below in the description to see how this beauty compares. Location, location, location. Yes, this home faces Pacific Highlands Ranch Parkway, a road with local traffic, but don't let that fool you. The property sits back from the street with the most access from the quieter alley in the back. And the best part is you're a 2-minute walk away from the village of Pacific Highlands Ranch. This hub has everything from grocery stores, drugstore, coffee shops, banks, restaurants, and El Pueblo Mexican food. Trust me, their carnitas are worth every step. Do you love finding the best spots and hidden gems? Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more Carmel Valley and coastal real estate finds and tips. Living here also grants you access to some fantastic community amenities. As a member of the West Pacific Highlands Association, you'll enjoy a clubhouse that's just a short walk from your doorstep. There's a sparkling pool for those summer days, a splash pad for the kids, and a barbecue area for private event spaces, and even an indoor-outdoor gym. It's all about bringing convenience and fun right to your backyard. Hey, families, listen up. This location is in the heart of some of San Diego's best schools. You've got Solana Ranch Elementary, Pacific Trails Middle, both rated 9 out of 10, and Canyon Crest Academy, which is a solid 10 out of 10. And if you prefer, you can opt for Torrey Pines, which is just a 4 to 7 minute drive away. Outdoor fans will love Solana Ranch Park. It's just a 2-minute walk from here. It's got everything from a play set, a basketball hoop, and a large grass field where you can throw a frisbee or play soccer, or just enjoy a picnic. And for the active crowd, there's a recreation trail that's right nearby, perfect for hiking, biking, and morning jog. Now let's talk about the Carmel Valley microclimate. You're only 4.5 miles from the Pacific Ocean, and that means something special around here. Each evening, a marine layer rolls in off the coast, keeping things cool overnight. As the day heats up, this mist burns off from east to west. And here's the cool part. This area, being a bit more inland, gets about 30 minutes, an hour more sunshine each day, and can be up to 10 degrees warmer. Some residents love the extra warmth in the sun, while others prefer a cooler, misty vibe. It's all about personal preference. So there you have it, 13533 Pacific Highlands Ranch Parkway, a true gem just on the market by our friends at Sunshine Investment International in Pacific Highlands Ranch. With its prime location, top-rated schools, community amenities, and unique climate perks, this isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle upgrade. If you're considering Carmel Valley, this might be your perfect fit. Don't forget to check out the market analysis linked in the description below, and comment below and let me know if you think this home is worth the $2 million price tag. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.